The difference between hearing a sound and experiencing it is found in its subtle details. And so, it takes truly uncompromising hearing solutions, ones capable of preserving the subtle nuances of natural sound, to reveal a sound's full meaning to each individual. That's why, since 1956, we've been dedicated to the creation of a sound like no other. A sound so natural and pure that people can forget about their hearing loss. To achieve this, we've had to evolve constantly, gaining a deep audiological understanding, developing unique and innovative technology, and perfecting high-quality craftsmanship. All so that those people who refuse to compromise in their lives no longer have to compromise with their hearing. Unparalleled, outstanding, for a sound like no other. WIDEX, sound like no other.